Today, the 4th of December 2020, is a day to be remembered for generations to come, as the Hill Farmers Union, under the leadership of Shri Commander Shangplyang and Shri Alphon Kharsantio, celebrated its first Meghalaya Farmers' Day. To mark the occasion, the COVID warriors among the farmers were recognized and awarded in a small function held at Dr. Bremley's farm in Lankarding, Maupat, with full COVID protocols being followed. Welcoming the guests, speaking at the inaugural function, Dr. Bremley spoke of his father, who was one of the fighters in 1971 for Hill State, and how he was inspired by his father to build this farm and to give his best for preserving the environment and everything that nature blessed us with. He further said that building this farm was to keep it as a home of the Hill Farmers Union with 2.5 acres of land. Land in Tindring is reserved for piggery and poultry, with a plot of land in Mauyong to be used for ranches and others. With a vision to do something for the state and the country as a whole, the HFU is keeping its bull's-eye target on 50 years of statehood in 15 months to implement and achieve higher altitudes.
Spring Valley, bakadon ka Umpot Leo, bakadon do aniri them, ban penlong ke jaka bangin trainee kena samla, hamtam kinong rap, bakin pek, ki boy ki baper, ban wanra ki start mariang, ki scientist bakin start ne bakin trainee kinong rap jangi, but bakin le experiment rohini kendo bere.
From the women folk of Hill Farmers Union Maupat unit, the representative expressed that as farmers, one thing that they need at the hour is a good road connectivity. Electricity is also needed to be looked upon. They couldn't afford to get good electrical coverage, water, transportation, or water supply. With a melodious song, they sent a strong message to the government to look upon the farmers' plight as something to lift them up by different concerned departments. Speaking on the occasion, JHP Raju IPS said, India is the first country to have the Farmers' Parliament. Out of 5.5 lakhs, nearly 3.3 lakh households are below poverty line. Which he wanted to do something with the position he's holding. He's ready to help the farmers in all possible ways. He also praised the people of Meghalaya by stating that one good thing about the place is he couldn't find any local as a beggar, reiterating the fact that accurate and authentic information is needed to disperse to the farmers so that they need not face any problem in the future. Taking the example of the Lakadong turmeric rhizomes, which is globally recognized, he said, in one-day program in Lakadong village, the government was able to form a cooperative society with 218 members, out of which 211 are women members. He urged the bank to be generous to such cooperative societies, and he also said, farmers are very honest people who would never dupe the bank in any way. K.N. Kumar IAS informed that the first Parliament on 4 December 2018, nature has blessed Meghalaya with 5 agroclimatic zones, but rice is still one food item which the state is still lagging behind in its production. Therefore, farmers need to be trained on low volume and high value cost farming. Shri Bante Dor, the concerned minister, said, since he was from the farmers' background, he is happy to have the portfolio as a minister who look after the welfare of the farmers. He also stressed on the unity of the farmers, which is still not 100%. The agriculture policy needs to be implemented, which is in the process right now, where buyers should not place the price, but the farmers are the ones to set the price. The minister further said, it's a teamwork of all who are in the department that keep the wheel of the hope turned on for the farmers. He also made an announcement to assist the farmers financially, and few selected farmers were given with power tiller and other essential farming materials. A memorandum was submitted to the MLA Shri Bante Dor.
We have 2 officers. Iway la siyong type, iway lang don bangi. Iway la long chairman juga Farmer Commission, magada sukman. Number both our officers, they are very dynamic to work, to develop our state. Kani kay ngani thui pi ka ba hagajinga nanti ka jonga. Bat kini kiri orang ba. Hamtam bat kien koma. Nadu kasngi bang Shimti ya kani kam. Pi kani ka portfolio on itu ipi bon gumkwa ban Shim. Namar kam dei ka portfolio ka ba. Hadu kata taf syai subtarim sutu bang ada ongkota. Barok ngini mare be nyaki portfolio. Hadin mengi sena soka ndrenga ayang. An sutu ipi. Ngaso keman bang Shim ya kani namar ngaru ngawan na kayeng jong inong ram. Ngawan na kalong yeng ke beduk ke bajinja. Ngawan na kalong yeng ke bangarap nadu dang red na sedang setenat bandrat. Baro yang mare lut ya kataka. Ka ba itanat. Ka ba thaba. Mo ndai ngongan pek ya kani ke department. Ngan persyang namar ba kipat ba ki ba penjob ya nga. 98% nganong ipi gide ginong rap. Baga state ke jong ingin ong no ru. Ki ba bon gide ginong rap. Tong ini persyang bani tray ni kakau. Dai daga bangin syile ka. Tadai na takada masuk kemen ang niya nung ipi. Bangidon lang ya ki director jong department. Hang ni ngidon lang ringka. Kung baong menaya ba anggut gidai de gilong kami. Bangi kung kajat benring iburom gilong kami. Nabi ang humno na. Lada ginong benring gilong kami ki basyong hapo. Ka directorate ban pait na bentakar rap karyang long basyong hapo de payi. Nakabenta mo ng penbah. Perlok nong rap. Pigilong diberi ba syisur-syudur. Nalom hayeng na yeng halom. Dailam day na. Bari kamar la susania akinawan penderu. Dadai tok sa ginong dili timo lakot sundanta. Tengah kwa ba nong ipi. Baka ni kapuar kala i bahay ni mata. Buhay nang ya chikmat. Nakaliang government kanirap yapi. Kini ki samla ki jongi ki bay. Yadon nakali ka seng ki tre shitam. Ki late nagaway ka district suway district. Kinang don sa kiway ki seng ru. Ki bay tre mon soba nakabenta. Kinongrap ki jongi.
An MOU was also signed between the HFU and bank officials and by the president of the HFU. Others who spoke on the occasion are Rangbashnong Maupan, who said human activities disturbed nature in many ways. Alphonse Carcentio, president of HFU. The program is chaired by Shri Commander Shangpyang. To make this day more special, one farmer presented a self-composed song and his daughter, Pibandria Korsuting, sang melodiously with so much feeling that the whole lot of people present there couldn't but tap and clapped along till the end. The program was concluded by handing over of the power tillers and other farming machines to few selected people from different districts of the state.
Okay, and hot na ba? Ready, steady, go! This is for the farmer. Kini ka allotment order mo, kinra no ya ka? Traktor. Mini traktor. Kini ka Christmas gift. Population mo.